What do you think's even over there? Wait, is that what I think it is? This could be the stupidest thing ever, but I doubt anyone's out here. Well, there is obviously people like me that like to go outside when it's raining. I think I can cut through there. Oh, please sit. Okay, good. I thought my shoe got untied then. So I was a 9 when you like walk through like a farm, or like something like that, and the freaking farm bushes get stuck. I really hope my phone don't get like massively wet through. Oh, never mind. It's a what are they called? Thingies, because I thought that was an entrance. Look. It looks like an entrance, but I think it's a oh, what they're called. I forgot what they were called. Those like weird birds that look cool. I don't know how to do those birds that look cool. Oh yeah, definitely. Instantly freaking gonna know what that is. Is it something with a PH? Fens? No, not fens. Ow. Fuck farm bushes. Sorry, I just got freaking beaten up by a fawn branch. Wow, this is just not worth it. I was like, whoa, cool, there's a cave entrance, but it's just a habitat thingamajig for, what do you call it? Those birds that starts with a PH. That was a waste of time. It's only about 11. Oh my days. There we go. It's only about 11, so I'm probably going to keep going for like an hour or so. Because I literally thought it was a cave entrance, but I think it's just a home for foxes and stuff or whatnot, yeah. Oh my fucking nuggets. Let's go back through this thing. Almost fell. But yeah, I literally thought it was a cave, so that's why I was like, whoa, is that it? And then I went there and it's just, I saw a little birdie running around, and yeah, it's not. I think it was just a hole for, what do you call it? Those thingy birds. Those ones, I literally didn't even see the sign until now, so that's why I'm kind of like, yeah. Those birds. Wait, they just breed birds just to shoot them, just to let them run and shoot. Well, that's a bit off, isn't it? What the fuck is this? 1800s. I mean, like, whoa. You know what I mean? That's a bit off, innit, don't you think? I think I might end the video here because my phone's getting like proper wet. That's why I'm kind of got my hand above it, so I kind of look stupid with my hand above my phone like this. But yeah, seeing as I'm about to get out, oh my days, seeing as I'm about to get out of the forest area where the trees is kind of covering me, I think it's best to end it here, so I can put my phone in my pocket so it's not, so it can dry off for a little bit until I film again in like an hour or so. And plus I need to look at the maps because this is like a shortcut that I went through. I wasn't even supposed to see that area. It was just a shortcut that I just wanted to speed through so I'm not looping around and wasting time like I just did. But you know, it is what it is. Oh, jogging through. Oh my days, this is horrendously freaking horrendous. That's just pretty much it. These are not the shoes for it. By the way, if you're wondering what shoes those are, they are literally the most, oh god, there you go. They are literally just proper cheap ones from Temu. I basically just like, oh, I might as well buy them. So, I mean, oh never mind, it just said public pathway, so we're good. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm gonna end the video here actually because wow, this rain is really heavy. And I really need to concentrate and just get my butt through here before I'm even more piss wet through like an idiot. So yeah, please like and subscribe, have a great day. This is a short one. Have a great day. Sorry about my hand blocking the phone a little. Have a great day, like and subscribe. Appreciate you all, love you all, thank you, good morning, good night, whatever it may be, and bye bye.